Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you one of the most popular dish in the Philippines. It's the chicken adobo. So for this recipe, I'll be using one whole chicken and I'm gonna break this down into parts. And if you're afraid to do this step, you could actually ask your butcher to do this for you so you can skip the step. So if you stay in the Philippines, you would definitely find this incredible dish just about anywhere. So now that I'm done breaking down this chicken into parts, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this chicken. So for the rest of the ingredients, this is what you will need. 10 cloves of garlic, a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of white vinegar, 3 pieces of dried bay leaves or dahon ng laurel, half a teaspoon of whole black peppercorns, and a pinch of salt. I will also be using half a cup of brown sugar because I really want my adobo to have a little sweetness to it. And lastly, 1 cup of water. Next up is really important. We have to marinate the chicken overnight with the garlic and soy sauce. So do not skip this step. Simply throw all that smashed garlic and soy sauce into that bowl of chicken and mix it well. At this point, you can actually cover it with a cling wrap and put it right away in the fridge. But in this video, I'll be placing it in a ziploc bag so I can actually save up some space in the chiller instead of putting it in a bigger bowl or a container. So now that the chicken has been marinating overnight, we can start cooking. So in a pot or pan, heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. So you want to make sure to get that pan really hot, because what we want to do right now is to get a really nice browning on the skin of the chicken, which will bring this chicken adobo to another level. So make sure you get that pan consistently hot at this step. And if your pan is a little small, you could just actually do this in batches. Or the easiest way, just get a bigger pan. Now that it's all looking good, you can now add in the liquid from the marination and let that deglaze the pan to get all of that goodness stuck in the pan. Next, add in the water, the salt, peppercorns, and the laurel. Cover up the pan and let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can now add the white vinegar, followed by the brown sugar. So at this point, you want to do a quick stir and just cover the pan again and continue to cook for another 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, this is what you should have. Here you go guys, our version of chicken adobo. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do enjoy this video, make sure to click that thumbs up and leave a comment down below. If you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our channel for more future videos. Thank you so much for watching.